Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Pattern Image and click on Place. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. Make selection of the pattern image. Click on Edit and define pattern. Write your pattern name and press OK. Deselect your selection. Delete the pattern image. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select Pen tool. Follow the process. Right-click and click on Make Selection. Press Ctrl+J for Make Duplicate. Create a new layer. Click on Filter and Vanishing Point. Follow the process. Hold down Ctrl and drag it down. Press OK. Select Rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Click on Layer Style and Pattern Overlay. Select your pattern. Decrease and increase scale and press OK. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Right-click and click on Rasterize Layer. Hold down Ctrl and click on Pattern Thumbnail. Press Ctrl+X. Click on Filter and Vanishing Point. Press Ctrl+V. Press Ctrl+T and drag it in the box. Change Blend Mode Normal to Multiply. Make duplicate of the box. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Move it up, and change Blend Mode Normal to darker color. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Make duplicate of the box. Change Blend Mode Darker Color to Overlay. Opacity 40%. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Select Rectangle tool and make rectangle. Right-click and click on Distort. Click on Properties. Increase the feather. 60%. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.